What is going on, everybody? This is Fire Ants Blazing, and I'm here to hit y'all up with another video. Well, today I'm doing something different, and I guess everybody will end up doing this when they get older or in their lifetime. Start making a life for themselves with investing into their future. So today I'm gonna show y'all my portfolio on Stash Invest. I've only been investing for a year and some change, and I want to show you how much I have in this portfolio so far. Next up, what we're gonna do is go through all of the stocks that I have that is invested. All of the money that has been getting invested has been $5 here and there. So what I got invested so far is Verizon. Verizon is doing pretty good right now, even though they got a 4.03% yield. It's a little bit more aggressive than all the other stocks because I'm still doing gaming, but I'm not getting as many views as I was a long time ago like I used to. So I'm just trying a different approach, and I want to see where this goes. If I can get 5 or 6 likes on this video, I will make more of these videos into a different playlist or something like that. What I have invested right now, to keep a 12% portfolio, you will have to invest into more aggressive stocks, and you will have to invest into some stable stocks. So this is not bad. What I did, I invested in the Nike also, and they up right now 16%. And you guys, with the new Jordans that's about to come out, you might want to go ahead and just try to put some money inside of Nike if you got the money to put it in there. You don't have to worry about buying the whole stock. So you can put it in, you can put in whatever you want as long as it's $5. And I will leave a link in the description below. The fees on Stash, it's gonna be $1 a month. It's just $1 a month. It's still cheaper than Merrill Lynch and some other places, but it's still a lot cheaper. Apple is next. Apple is up by a lot. It's went up a little bit, and this stock right here is the best stock to get right now. And for the long term, this is for the long term, guys. If you're trying to build up a little bit of a savings for you, just take this stock and buy that stock by itself and put $5 in there a week at a time. Next thing you know, at the end of the year, you'll have so much money in there. You'll have so much money in there when you cash out. High voltage. High voltage is a electricity ETF. What an ETF is, all it does is just a whole bunch of bundled up stocks all in one stock. So basically, it's a conservative mix. So if you want to take less risk, you can go ahead and invest into these, and they pay pretty well. They pay every 3 months, but if you put enough in there, every 3 months they'll give you a payout in dividends. It's a dividend stock. Next up is Delicious Dividends. Let's see, it's the same thing. It's an ETF. It's a well diversified portfolio. What I'm trying to get here at an aim. And you notice only been putting in $5 every 2 weeks in there. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, maybe some small writing on here, but check it out. Next up is the blue chips. Blue chips is just a stock of blue chips. Blue chips like, AMD and stuff like that, Berkshire Hathaway's, Apple, Microsoft, things like that. There's a whole bunch of ETFs like that. But if you want to invest into electronic equipment, Google, Alphabet, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway's, with Warren Buffett, this is a stock to get. And on top of that, it's a lot. This stock right here is more stable than ever. And when the new Xbox One drop, I know this is gonna be the stock to get right here because Amazon and Apple's in it. And then, of course, you gonna when the new iPhones drop, you know, it's gonna be a whole lot better. Next up is stocks worldwide. This is just another ETF. They pay every 3 months. It's about international everything. I'm also investing in the Apple, Amazon, Facebook, JP Morgan, Alphabet, Johnson and Johnson, Nestle, and some gamble company. But they pay pretty good too. I just haven't put much in there. And the big business bonds, this is just a ETF of all stable businesses. These businesses been around for a very long time. So like CVS Health, Verizon, uh, Comcast, Bank of America, the Anheuser Busch COS. I don't know what that is, but it's probably a good stable company. And Dell. And this is a Vanguard ETF. And Vanguard ETFs always do great. Even with the stock market crashing, it did pretty good. Let me show you the performance on there. See, this is where '08 happened. This is where '08 right here. And it just started slowly just going up. But it's going up stable. So you know it's a stable stock right here. That's what you want to look for in a stock. You want to see if it's stable. If it's not stable and it's just going up, down, really, really sharp peaks and sharp troughs and stuff like that, it's a bad. I mean, it's a good stock to buy, but if you got to buy low and then sell high, just make sure to be careful on the aggressiveness on that stock market right there. You want something stable like this so that you can make some growth. Park My Cash. Okay, so Park My Cash is a app where I mean an ETF where it's kind of like a bank account, but you get 2.72% dividend yields every month. If you just push your money in there without putting in money anywhere else, if you put in about $500 into here every year, it'll go up. It's gonna go up, and you're gonna notice it's gonna go up too. And it's a lot better than leaving your money in a bank account, because if you leave your money in a bank account, you're not gonna make any money. And the way money is doing right now, it's not a good investment to invest in it like that. All right, I got some long haul bonds. They up by 11% today. This is what today is 10/22, 2019. Now you can skip to the end of the video if you want to. I'm just going through some of these stocks that I have inside of my portfolio, and I'm gonna show you how I'm up 12%. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get a 12% portfolio. It's not guaranteed, but you should never take advice from a person's talking behind a microphone. You should never do that. If you take advice from anybody, be sure it's the right move, because if you're not doing this on a regular basis, if you just jump into this, you're gonna lose a lot of money before you start making any. So this is Ford. I got a little bit of money in the Ford. I had 15 shares of Ford, but I sold it, and then I bought $30 back. I don't know why I did that. I don't know. It just happened. So I'm gonna be putting more money in the Ford, even though they had that botched Ford Explorer reveal. They lost a little bit of money and a little bit of momentum. And then I got Microsoft. I haven't put much in here because they pay yearly, and it's at 1.48%. That's pretty good, and it's stable and it's long. Okay, finally, this is it. I'm reaching the end of the video, and here is my portfolio right here. Right now, today, as of October the 22nd, I am at $970.75 with a 12.57% return. And I have $10 to spend. That's pretty good. That's not bad. The trick here. Now, here's the best part. The trick here is to buy low, sell high. But you also have to keep putting money in even though everything is going up. So just in case, you don't put a lot in when it's going up. Only put like $10 to $20. But if you have the money and you a baller like that, go ahead and dump the money in there and see how much money you get, and then reap your dividends and rewards and stuff like that. But that's for short-term traders. But this is not a short-term trading platform. This is a platform for people that's trying to learn how to save money. And also, they got some things to help you right here. Go ahead and pull this up. They got these little articles that you can read. Got health insurance. I think life insurance here. Not health insurance, but life insurance. Let's see. You can invest. They show you how to compound. They show you what to do here. You know, everything just starts to go up and you're good. Once you read, your goal is to read some of these articles and you can learn something. You don't have to jump into this right away. You can get the app and use the $5 that you get for free and go ahead and just use it and put it into a stock and then read these articles. Once you read these articles, your whole life will change and you will learn a little bit more than what she did the day before. If there's any questions, guys, go ahead and leave a like and leave a comment saying that you left a comment. And eventually these videos is going to get a lot better and a lot better. I'm getting used to this YouTube thing. I've been doing this for 10 years and I'm trying to find out what my niche is going to be. So, hey, I'm trying everything that I can. This is Fire Ants Blazing. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.